Mabel TA End of Semester Summary Assignment Question number 10. Chandler has a job earning $8.69 per hour. He works 11 hours a week and receives a paycheck every 2 weeks. How much does Chandler earn each paycheck before taxes are taken out? So I have our information over here. I wrote down how many wages what his wages are, how many hours a week, but he receives a paycheck every 2 weeks. So that means I need to multiply that by 2 because he does double that amount of hours for the 2 weeks. So his what he gets paid will be how much he gets paid per hour times by or multiplied by the number of hours, but also multiply that by 2 because he gets paid every 2 weeks, and round that to the nearest cent, so we have $191.18. The next one says, suppose taxes are 12% of Chandler's earnings. That "of" right there is our key word for translation, which means multiply. Select the mathematical equation that is the translation of the underlined part of the sentence. So taxes are is another variation of the word is, and is means equals. So taxes equal 12% or 0.12 times Chandler's earnings, which will be, they don't give us a variable, so just Chandler's earnings. So taxes equal 0.12, so taxes equal 1 plus, nope, taxes equal 0.12 times Chandler's earnings. There we go. So this is our formula. Now that we have our formula, we're going to use this to find how much he gets paid in, or has to pay in taxes. So we'll just do that here. Let's put taxes, and over here we'll do equals 0.12 times how much he gets paid, which gives us his taxes, and rounding to the nearest cent makes this $22.94. Next month, Chandler will receive a 3% raise because he has been outperforming his boss's expectations. This means Chandler's new hourly rate will be 3% more than $8.69 per hour. Select the mathematical equation that is the translation of the underlined part of the sentence. So we need to find his new hourly rate. Will is another variation of is or are, or yield. That's the equals. So Chandler's new hourly rate equals 3% more than. So 3% more than, that means that I have 100% of what he makes plus an additional 3%. So that tells me I need 100% or 1, because I'm working with the number, not the percent, but I can think of it as 100% plus a 3% or 1 plus 0.03. So let's go find it. So new hourly rate equals, that's what we said, new hourly. Will is an equal translation, 1 plus 0.03 times 8.69. So this is our new equation, the mathematical equation to find his new hourly rate. Now there's some options in here that might get confusing. This is new hourly rate times 0.3. That doesn't help me because this says the hourly rate equals or will be or are or is. All of those are a translation of the equal sign. So that only leaves me these two options, and this doesn't quite get me there because I still have what he makes is the $8.69 plus the additional 3%. So now that we have this, we're going to actually find it, his new hourly wage, by multiplying our 8.69 by 1 plus 1.03. So we have our 1.69, so let's write down new wage equals, and I'm going to add those in my head if you're okay with that, to do 1.03. If you're not comfortable, you can go ahead and write that all out, or even copy and paste that over into here. And then multiply that by his wage, and that gives me his new wage of $8.95 per hour. And let's write that down, again rounding to the nearest penny, 8.95. And let's check the next one. What will Chandler's new 2-week paycheck earnings be? Again, he's still working 11 hours each week, but that's still 2 weeks. So we're going to come down here and new pay for every 2 weeks. We'll write that. So it's his new pay times 11 hours a week times every 2 weeks tells me that his new pay will be 196.92, 92 cents. And last, what will Chandler's new taxes be? So again, we'll use our same formula here, which is 12% of his earnings. So new taxes equals his paycheck times 0.12, so 0.12 times his pay, which gives me my new taxes, his new taxes of $23.63. And there we go. That's our answer.